Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. And this week, we're talking about car insurance. As this is the time of the year when Hong Kong welcomes new arrivals, and with many new residents choosing to purchase a car to simplify their lives, despite our city's excellent public transport system, it makes sense to look at exactly what car insurance is required in Hong Kong. Now, for reference, there are only two types of insurance which are compulsory purchases as mandated by the government of Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. The first is employees' compensation insurance. The second is car insurance. The minimum amount of coverage that you must possess in order to legally drive a vehicle on Hong Kong's roads is 100 million Hong Kong dollars for third-party death or bodily injury and 2 million for damage to third-party property. Now, insurance always involves a policyholder, someone who has applied for and been accepted on a contract of insurance. As such, the owner of the policy is the first party. They're paying for the policy. They took out the coverage. They're pretty much the most important person for the contract, so we'll give them priority as being the first party. The policyholder cannot exist in a bubble, however, and has obviously contracted to take insurance out from some entity, whether this is an underwriter, a re-underwriter, a cover holder, a syndicate, a property union. Someone is covering the risk associated with the contract of insurance. That person or that entity is our second party. Now, for most types of insurance, the risk is directly between the policyholder and the insurer. In health insurance, for example, the second party covers the risks of medical costs generated by the first party. With car insurance, however, the policy doesn't actually directly benefit the insured individual for third-party coverage. Remember, the benefits needed to satisfy the government regulations for car insurance do not refer to first party or second party, but instead state that the benefit is with reference to a third party. A third party is the entity receiving the benefit of the insurance under car insurance coverage. If the owner of the policy, the first party, is found legally liable for an accident, then the insurance, the second party, will provide a settlement to the entity which has suffered damage as a result of the accident, the third party. Now, car insurance can actually provide more protection than the coverage available through a standard third-party only policy. Insurance which goes beyond the minimum regulatory coverage requirements is normally referred to as comprehensive car insurance. For comprehensive policies, it does not matter if another party is involved in accidentally damaging your vehicle, or whether your vehicle is only partially or totally damaged. The policy is designed to offer robust coverage solutions for one of the most expensive tools a person will ever own in their life. Now, while a comprehensive car insurance policy will cover you against accidental damage or a total write-off to your vehicle, it is not as simple as getting a new car for the same price as the old car should you suffer a total loss. In the case of comprehensive car insurance claims, these are based on the depreciation of the vehicle with the understanding that the policyholder cannot see any betterment in a claim scenario. As part of this, when applying for a comprehensive car insurance policy in Hong Kong, you will need to specify the value of your vehicle you are trying to insure, much like in a home content situation where you're covering specified items. Car insurance is a complicated subject, more complicated than it may first appear on an initial look. Outside of the simple question of coverage levels you're receiving under your policy are the issues of named versus unnamed drivers, accidents in parking garages, whether you're a new or experienced driver, and even your age can all have a fundamental impact on the type of car insurance that may be best suited for your needs. That's us for this week. We hope you all stay happy and healthy and have a great weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.